Welcome back to Tactical Investor Channel, where we dive deep into the world of finance and explore the exciting realm of technical analysis. I'm your host Mabel, and in today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the art of technical analysis in the financial markets. So grab your notepads and get ready to learn some valuable insights. Before we begin, let's quickly define what technical analysis is. In simple terms, it's a method of evaluating securities by analyzing statistical trends, patterns, and historical price and volume data. It helps us make informed predictions about future price movements and identify potential trading opportunities. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into some commonly used technical indicators that traders rely on to make informed decisions. Moving averages are one of the fundamental tools in technical analysis. They smooth out price data and provide a clear picture of the overall trend. Traders often use the 50-day and 200-day moving averages to identify long-term trends and potential entry or exit points. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It helps us determine if a security is overbought or oversold. When the RSI reaches extreme levels, it can signal a potential reversal in price direction. Bollinger Bands consist of a moving average and two standard deviation lines. They help us identify periods of high volatility and potential trend reversals. When the price reaches the upper or lower band, it suggests that the security is overextended and may experience a pullback or breakout. These are just a few examples of the many technical indicators available. Traders often combine multiple indicators to form a comprehensive analysis. Now that you're familiar with some popular technical analysis tools, it's important to remember that technical analysis isn't foolproof. It's a valuable tool, but it should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis, such as fundamental analysis, to make well-informed investment decisions. By combining technical and fundamental analysis, you can have a more holistic approach to understanding the financial markets and increase your chances of success. That wraps up our exploration of technical analysis in the financial markets. I hope you found this video insightful and informative. Remember to do your own research and always consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on finance, investing strategies, and market trends. Also, hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.